everybody, it's Angie from Trips with Angie, and I am here at Fiesta Americana Condesa, Cancun, a family all-inclusive resort in the Hotel Zone of Cancun, Mexico. Let's take a look around. So you will enter through this beautiful driveway and come up one of the escalators into the main lobby where you'll check in over here. Check-in time is 3 p.m., so do not be surprised if you arrive and your room is not ready yet. And then here is the lobby. Fiesta Americana Condesa just went through a huge renovation. So if you've stayed here before, don't be surprised if it looks a little different. So here we are headed into the lobby. This is the new beautifully renovated lobby bar. This is an all-inclusive resort, so all your drinks will be included. And it also has this great sushi corner that opens at 5 p.m. if you need a snack before heading back to your room to get ready for dinner. Speaking of dinner, let's go check out some of the restaurants. So this is Sadaduria, which is a great place to get a snack or a light supper. It has tacos, quesadillas. I recommend the al pastor taco. And also they have a secret little dessert area, so you can just walk up and grab a dessert. I loved the meringues. Here is Rosado Ristorante. This is the Italian restaurant. None of the restaurants require reservations except for the steakhouse, which I'm going to show you next. I had the beef fillet with bacon at the Italian restaurant. It was delicious. This is the steakhouse. It's the only restaurant that requires reservations. You can make reservations at 2 p.m. the day before. Reservations are open from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. the day before. Most restaurants do not have a dress code, but men, you want to be sure to pack a polo shirt with a collar just in case. Now heading down to the Mexican restaurant. This is one of the larger specialty restaurants. One thing to know is the restaurants do get busy, especially the Italian restaurants, because it's a little bit smaller. But the Mexican restaurant's bigger, so it's a little bit easier to get in there. They're having a meeting in there, so I'm going to skip by there. All right, now we are going to head out to the pool area. This is the kids pool. That area roped off over there is where they teach the learn to scuba dive classes. And you can see it connects here to the little pirate ship splash bar and slide. The Fiesta Americana has 3 towers: Moon Tower, Sea Tower, and this tower over here. So it's very compact footprint. You're not going to be having to take a golf cart anywhere. And the dive shop's right here for setting up your excursions. Now, out here is a bar, as well as the ceviche place. Let me show you that. I had some delicious octopus ceviche and great fish tacos. And here's the beautiful beach. Now this is in the Hotel Zone of Cancun, so it has that beautiful long stretch of beach with white sand and turquoise water. The waves can be a bit rough here. It's a red flag day, so just be careful. Don't want to swim out too far. Be careful with the little ones. Heading over here, you find Kim Boo Restaurant. This is open for lunch and dinner. Lunch is American fare. I was really impressed that this resort has the buffet, the grill, 2 a la carte restaurants that are open for lunch, in addition to the soup and sandwich place I'm about to show you and the pizza place. At this kind of this level of resort, it's unheard of. It's fantastic. So coming around the front of the beach here, here are those oceanfront suites at the end of Moon Tower. And then over here you have the soup and salad place. So veggie wraps, Mexican wraps, pitas, salads. Got another look here at the big pool with the water volleyball net and that upper pool. Here is the smoothies. So you come and get smoothies throughout the day. Now we're headed up back towards the main building. And then coming up here, you get to that infinity edge pool that overlooks the main pool, as well as the pizza restaurant. So pizza over here, and then here's that infinity edge pool that overlooks the main pool. All right, we're going to keep heading around here to show you the kids area. And my room was a premier garden view room. So let's show you that. So coming through the moon tower, headed back towards the lobby. This is where you will find the spa. And fitness center. And then the kids club area. Let me show you a better view of that. That's Fiesta Americana Condesa. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you're trying to find the perfect all-inclusive resort for your next vacation, head over to tripswithangie.com and click quote request. That way we can start working together to make the best match. I've been to over 100 Caribbean resorts, so it's pretty easy for me to narrow down what's going to be the best based on your criteria. And also be sure to request my all-inclusive tip sheet, the top 10 ways to make the most of your all-inclusive stay. A special thank you to Fiesta Americana Condesa for hosting me tonight to enjoy this beautiful resort, and I hope you have a great day.